My name's Lisa Chamberlain. I'm a senior practitioner social worker, currently social work lead in the local hospital. I initially started in care in 1992 on a YTS scheme. Wasn't able to continue due to financial restraints of wanting to go out with my friends, so I tried my hand at retail and admin. Then on the move to Wales in 2004, I saw this as an opportunity to return back to social care because it was something that I was passionate about, something that I missed and something that gave me great job satisfaction. I applied for a job with Bridgend County Borough Council in 2005, and from then my feet have not touched the ground. I've undertaken hundreds, I'd probably say, of training courses over the 17 years. I've also completed my degree, which was seconded by Bridgend County Borough Council, which allowed me to continue working on full pay and also to complete my degree. And I was supported to have time off to complete that degree. And then from there also onto a level 7 qualification to support social work students for them to actually achieve their qualification. I'd recommend social care for the job satisfaction, but also for the changes that you're going to possibly make to somebody else's life, and also for the opportunities to develop yourself. You will learn lots of things about yourself along the way, and you will probably challenge some of your previous views. But I think the fact that you can develop and you can progress, which is really important within anybody's personal development, is something that you need to be mindful of when looking at the career in social work. It's not the dead-end job that people used to think it was. And I'd like to think that I'm proof of that, from starting on a 0-hour contract to now being in the role that I'm in. And it's a job that I thoroughly enjoy and a job that I wouldn't change for the world.